Okay, you chained and then you finished your first row, and when you got back to the beginning you found out you had too many chains that you started with. So the first thing you want to do is count to make sure that the number of stitches on your first row is accurate, and then when you find out that that's the case, then you can just pull up a loop there to hold your stitch, and then you're going to count 1, 2, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut between after that second extra stitch. I know it's scary. Then there's a piece that comes off, and then you're just going to pull it, and it makes a little knot. See? No harm, no foul. Now if you want to, you can tie this on to your working yarn, which is probably a good idea, and then just hide it underneath, work it in and hide it underneath your stitches.